Okay, so we have a basic question here, right, from past year paper. So a register in a computer contain binary digits, and you're given this set of binary digits. So the content of the register could represent a binary integer. So convert the binary integer, which is this, to denary. All right. So if you would like to try this out, just pause the video. All right. Because in a short while, I will actually go through the steps and the answer. Okay. You want to convert binary to denary. We know that the first digit, all right, the least significant digit is actually a 1. Right? It's actually a 1. Okay. Right? Because 2 power 0 is a 1. From here, you keep on doubling. Right? So double 2, 4, 8, right? 16, 32, 64, 128. And if you need more, just double. Well, the reason why I stop here is because there is only 8 digit. All right. Then once you have that, put this below them. Right. So 00, 11, 0, 111. Okay. So now you have it. You can ignore all the zeros because they have no meaning. Right? Because anything multiplied by 0 is 0. Okay. Just look for all the 1. Okay. So you have a 32, 16, 4, 2, and 1. Add them all up. You will get 55. Right. 55 is your answer, right, for the denary.